Nicobar Pigeon. This isn't just a pigeon. It looks like a living gemstone. Its entire body is covered in iridescent plumage. Deep emerald, dark blue, and bronze tones shift with every movement. Long, narrow feathers hang from its neck, creating a shimmering mane effect. The tail is stark white, looking almost as if it were painted on separately, while the saturated red legs add even more contrast. It feels like a leveled-up version of a common pigeon from another world. Did you know that Nicobar pigeon is the closest living relative of the extinct dodo? Shoebill. This bird looks like it was assembled from different animals. Its body is sturdy, covered in brownish-gray plumage with spots that camouflage it perfectly among marshes and rivers. But the main feature is the massive, flat beak, wide and heavy like a shovel. Its large eyes are positioned almost forward-facing, creating a strange, nearly predatory gaze. It seems awkward, yet it is perfectly adapted to its environment. Its beak acts like a sensor. It literally feels the movement of prey in the water. Victoria Crowned Pigeon. Meet the king of pigeons. Its body is dressed in soft bluish-gray tones that look velvety in the light. The most impressive detail is the massive lacy crest on its head, consisting of thin feathers with white tips, resembling fine lace. The eyes are bright red, creating a sharp contrast with the cool tones of the body. It looks like a bird straight out of a royal palace. It can even reach the size of a small turkey. Quetzal. This bird is the embodiment of magic. Its plumage is vibrant green with a metallic sheen that glitters in the sun like an emerald. The chest is a deep crimson, and the males have long tail feathers that trail behind them like a silken train. In flight, it looks almost surreal. It looks like a creature from ancient legends. Did you know that the ancient Mayans considered it a sacred bird and a symbol of freedom? Imperial shag. This bird combines formality with striking details. The back and wings are a deep black, while the chest is a stark white, creating a contrast reminiscent of a classic suit. The eyes are light blue, almost icy, and there are bright orange patches of skin at the base of the beak. The beak is long and sharp, perfect for fishing. It looks simultaneously elegant and predatory. It is capable of diving to great depths in search of prey. Royal flycatcher. At first glance, it's a small, unassuming bird with a brownish body. But as soon as it opens its crest, everything changes. A massive fan-shaped crest erupts in bright red with blue and black patterns, like a crown or a firework display. In that moment, it looks absolutely unreal. It hides a secret beauty mode. It only opens its crest in rare situations, so seeing it is a stroke of true luck. Lilac-breasted roller. This bird looks like it collected every color of the rainbow. The breast is bright lilac, the belly is turquoise, the wings are deep blue with green tints, and the back is a warm brown. Every color stands out sharply, creating an incredible palette. It looks like a living painting. It is considered one of the most beautiful birds on the planet. Trogon A. Very high contrast and vivid bird. Its back is a rich green with a metallic luster, the breast is bright red, and the wings are dark with a neat pattern. The eyes are large and expressive, and the beak is short but powerful. It combines tranquility and brightness at the same time. Did you know that it can sit perfectly still for hours while waiting for prey? Lady Amherst's pheasant. This bird is a work of art. Its body is covered in vibrant colors, red, green, and blue, shimmering together. The neck is adorned with a complex scaled pattern. But the highlight is the long tail with black and white stripes, trailing behind like a luxurious robe. It captivates with its sheer length and intricate detail. The tail can be several times longer than the body itself. Hoopoe. An instantly recognizable bird with a lot of character. Its body is a warm, sandy orange, while the wings are a contrasting black with white stripes. On its head is a large crest that opens like a fan, colored orange with black tips. Its unusual mohawk and expressive look are unforgettable. When in danger, it can emit a foul odor for protection. Major Mitchell's cockatoo. This bird looks soft and vibrant at the same time. The primary color is a delicate, almost pastel pink, with slightly lighter wings. But the main accent is the crest. Inside, it's bright orange and yellow, creating a flash of color effect. A beautiful contrast between gentleness and intensity. It can live for decades and forms very strong bonds with humans. Cuban toady. A miniature but incredibly bright bird. The back is a saturated green, the chest is white, the throat is bright red, and the wings have blue tints. Due to its size, it looks like a living toy. It seems impossibly small and vivid. Did you know that it weighs only about 6 grams? Secretary bird. This bird looks very unusual and even a bit mismatched. It has long, powerful legs like a crane, but its body is more reminiscent of an eagle. The plumage is primarily light gray and black. Gray feathers cover the body, while black ones stand out on the wings and the tips of the tail. The head is light, almost white, with a distinct predatory gaze and long eyelashes that make its face very expressive. It looks like a mix of a bird of prey and an important office character walking through the savannah. Temminck's tragopan. A very unusual bird with a striking appearance. The body is a rich red covered in white spots. The face is decorated with bright blue patches of skin. During the mating season, horns and additional colorful elements appear. The way its appearance can change so drastically is mesmerizing. It can inflate colorful parts of its body to attract a mate. Kingfisher, a small but very bright bird. Its back shines with a brilliant blue. Its breast is a deep orange, and its beak is long and sharp. In motion, it looks like a flash of color. The contrast of color and incredible speed. Fact: it dives into the water like an arrow to catch its prey.